Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bronwyn. You may remember me from my DIY eyelash extension video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your DIY eyelash extensions, which requires a few different things for doing this. You're going to need two essential items, which is your tweezers and also your eyelash remover. This will take a little bit of time. You can expect about 15 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes, as you're only going to be able to do one eye at a time since we're doing this on ourselves. You are going to want to be very, very careful while doing this, almost equally as careful as you were with applying your own DIY eyelash extensions, as the eyelash remover does contain heavy chemicals that can burn your eye. So starting off with this gel remover. Gel is the best one to use as it's less likely to run into your eye upon application. Then using this very tiny stick, I'm not too sure what to call it, and having paper towel handy in case you do spill anywhere. Take a little bit on the back of your hand, then dipping in your little spoolie slash mini Q-tip thing. You're going to pick up a very tiny amount, then carefully, as careful as possible, apply it to the base of your eyelash extensions where the glue would be. Do a better job than I did. It's always harder to do things when you're filming for some reason. Close your eye very tightly and then wait a few minutes. After a few minutes, you should be able to easily pull off the extensions. If you feel like the extensions don't budge, it's not ready, wait a little bit longer. Once you have removed all your extensions with your tweezers by pulling them off, just squirt a little bit of water onto your eye and wipe away with a towel, and all your eyelash extensions plus any residual glue should come off nice and cleanly. That's it. Removal is super easy if you're really careful and patient. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos like these as I upload every single week, sometime once a week or more. Follow me on my Instagram channel to see more daily content that you're not going to see here, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!